Hi, my name is Jessie. I am from Chicago, and right now I'm in the beautiful island of Tenerife. What brought me here is the Ocean Nomads on Atlantic Expedition. It's been life-changing. Yeah, it's been fantastic. I It's really cool to find a new passion and really just go all in for it. I was already on my way over to the trip, and I was feeling kind of iffy. I was like, I don't know what to expect. I don't know what happens after. And then I was able to access the course on my phone, which was lovely. And with every step, I felt like I gained some knowledge, I gained some wisdom. I got to learn from Susie, which was really cool without even having met her. Just getting an insight to the sailing community, what goes on at the docks, really what to look out for. A lot of people on board also shared stories about just really bad experiences when you're sailing and how to avoid that, how to be picky and not just go all in for it. There's a lot of other things in the course that made me feel more secure coming on the trip and what comes after. Since I came here with a one-way ticket and no plans to leave, I really didn't know what was next for me. And being able to take this course gave me some form of an idea and a little bit of a plan and a little bit of security. Yeah. We're leaving the boat today. Another Ocean Nomad and I are heading up to Santa Cruz, where we are getting on another Ocean Nomad boat. And I think we're going to sail around the Canaries for the next couple of months. I'd like to say thank you to everyone involved that made this trip possible. I said the first week, this has been the best week of my life, and I meant it. And yeah, I thank you to the whole crew and to you. And